1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Hello everyone, are you alright? Keep in mind, my camera's fucked up, I've dropped my phone and my front camera's really cracked, so keep that in mind. It's nearly Christmas, we've got 2 days left. Today is the 23rd of December, it's my cousin's birthday today. Happy 9th birthday. This way, love. Come on. Turn. Go on then, we're not going to park. Come on. Come on. This way. Thank you. So today I'm with my dog. She's wearing a coat. 1 minute. Looking beautiful. You don't live there. Out. Okay. So today would be, I think, Vlogmas day 3, I think. If I did Vlogmas, I don't yet.
I might start Vlogmas, because you get 5 days of Vlogmas. 20th to the 25th.
I will do Vlogmas in about 2-3 years time, if YouTube is still a thing then. Today I'm dog walking, it's raining, I've got a hair up my nose.
Oh, and Kyla's taking a shit. Great.
So Kyla's just done a poo and there's no dog bin nearby. What do I do? Is there a dog bin over there? No. Great. Why is it always you who has to poo when there's no bin here around? Could I put it in someone's bin?
A few moments later.
No one saw that.
I think they go to my karate as well. Shit. Merry Christmas!
Good thing we put Kyla in a coat. It's absolutely freezing, it's raining. It's chuffing freezing.
Hiya, you alright? I'm not, it's chuffing freezing.
Where are you going? This way. Thank you. The cameras don't work properly. We've got bad quality, but it's okay. Shake it off, shake it off. Want a treat? A treat? Treat? No? Okay. I'll just eat it myself then. Not with that smell, no. My phone's wet. That's not nice. No, no, we're not going on the field, Kyla. It's raining, it's wet. Come on. No! No field today. Good girl. We had an old woman looking at me then. Do you want to talk? What, my dog? It's a handful. I was going to say we'll go to a shop. I have no money. I left my money at home. Right. Done sniffing someone's wall. I need to get my phone repaired. We've got really bad cold. This ain't good. Park's empty because it's raining, obviously. Who goes to the park when it's raining? Not me. You don't live there. Can we stop going in people's, like, gardens, please? We don't live there. It's a lovely looking house, but we don't live there. Oh. Oh. Oh! Kyla. Foggy doggy. Really? You'll see me in January, so have a good Christmas, Happy New Year. See you guys whenever I see you. Au revoir.
Later.
I'm just in Primark. Gotta get a Christmas jumper. Lovely jubbly. Merry Christmas.
So why am I like this? Why am I like this? Why am I like this? Why am I?
Come on, this around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
Hello, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Cheers.